Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to customize edge panel for phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. If you swipe near the power button right side of our phone, just you will get to this option. This is called edge panel. If you want to customize this edge panel, yes, you can do it. What you go to do is go to the settings of our phone here, then go to display, then here select edge panels. Just click over edge panels and here click on panels, and as of now panels are showing only apps. If you want to replace available apps with the other one, click on edit and here you can replace. Okay, if you want to add Google, just drag like this, pick up and drop. Okay, I would like to add gallery also. You can add now. Yes, in this way you can add more shortcuts in the edge panel. So what are all the items you added here that can be accessed from edge panel itself. If you want to remove some of the item from the edge panel, just click on minus symbol over the app. Okay, that particular app will be removed from the edge panel and it will be available in the main screen only. Okay, in this way you can easily edit. See here, all apps, what are all the new apps are added, they are also showing here. Okay, suppose if you want to change edge panel to other customization, again go to the settings and click on display, then click on edge panels and here select panels, and here you can select panels from apps to other option, live messages. If you click on live messages, both apps and live messages will be showing. Okay, if you untick apps, only these live messages options will available. See here, if you select people, then I untick live messages, people will be showing here. Okay, you go to add contacts here. Okay, if you add many contacts, then they will be showing here. Okay, as of now I have added no contact. Okay, so it shows nothing from the contact. Then smart select, that will be available here. Okay, smart selects, that is rectangle, oval, animation and pin insert are available. Okay, so in this way you can add many things. Okay, what are the things available here, you can choose them. Okay, you can choose all of them or some particular options. Okay, in this way you can easily customize edge panel for phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.